Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your text on your Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to want to do is once you're on your dashboard, you're going to be at the home page. You're going to want to be on the online store page here on themes. That's going to by default open when you click online store, and from here you'll see the theme you're currently using. In my case, it's the default Dawn theme, and from here you can go ahead and click on customize. From here you can do a couple of different things. You can edit the textual elements by clicking on them, and as you can see, you can change the text over here. I'll just click change. You can select the size. I'll select extra large, and now as you can see, I've changed the text. You can change the position of the text as well. You can do whatever you want by reorganizing these sections and these blocks here. But if you want to change your text a bit more, you can change the font by going into theme settings, going into typography, and going to change under the font you want. You have for headings, and for the body, I'll select sans serif just for the headings, and for the body, I'll select April fat face, for example. Click select, and you can also select and modify the scale, which will increase the size of the font. And yeah, that's pretty much how you change your text in Shopify. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.